So let's begin the process. This video is meant for senior high schools, right? Senior high school core mathematics or general mathematics for senior high schools. So be rest assured as you go through the good. Before we start off, I would like to ask you some few questions which we have answers to and your perception about all those questions, right? Good. Do you know that you can study mathematics without memorizing formulas? Yes. Do you know it can happen? Yes. As you watch the videos, you'll see it. Question 2. Do you know you can make mathematics your hobby? Indeed, yes. Mathematics can be a hobby to you. Yes, it can be a hobby to you. You'll see how you're going to make it a hobby. If you are not memorizing formulas, then it means it becomes a hobby. It becomes an interesting subject to study. Do you also know that you can love studying and solving mathematics? It becomes part and parcel of you. Anytime you are less busy, you feel like solving mathematics questions. Do you know that? Sure. So you soon see it as you watch our videos. Do you know you can score 90% to 100% in mathematics? Wow, that's amazing. Yes. Even at senior high school or junior high school level, you can. Right. Good. So for junior high school students, you can also enjoy the same video. Most of the content belong to you and you can also enjoy it. Good. Note, there are questions. These are the questions that we provide answers to. Right. So as you watch our videos in the comfort of your home, you will see it happening to you. Good. Also, before we go, we want to assure you that for our videos, this platform, you can download the videos to your mobile phone or your PC or tablet and watch from the comfort of your home without internet connection. You don't need internet connection to watch the videos after downloading. So all you need internet to do is to download the videos to your device, period. Forever and ever. You can even choose to come to our venue at Madina Estate and pick your videos on a pen drive or to be uploaded to your mobile phones or your tablet or PC. That's all. After that, you don't need any internet to watch the videos. We will send you tests for you to do it, right? Paper 1, paper 2, essay. Easy way. As you try it, you see how it's going to work. You're going to learn mathematics from the comfort of your home on the go. If you're at work, you're on break, you can use 15 minutes to watch a video to give you something. So you may have busy work schedule. This is a great opportunity for you to study mathematics, to go and write that examination that you want to write and pass finally. So that is an assurance from you. So let's start the main business, that is mathematics. What is mathematics at all? Good. What is mathematics at all? In general, mathematics will talk about calculations. That's one. 2, measurement of angles and shapes. 3, logical reasoning, analysis. What is calculation? Any other person can do calculation. My mother, who has not been to school, can do calculation. Just by counting, adding up, multiplying up. Okay, I have 2 bottles of oil. Okay, I've sold one of them, remaining one. It's calculation. Do you understand? It's a simple calculating. Measurement. You do measurement by if you are cooking soup or stew, you do measurement of the salt and stuff. It's measurement. You're going to look at measurement. Every carpenter, mason, plumber does measurement. So it's also simple for us to do. So be rest assured of that. Now, logical reasoning, thinking, analysis. Anybody with brains can think. Sure. If you have brains, you can what? Think. Just that if you are not ready to think, then it cannot happen. So thinking does not happen to you. You decide to think. You decide to analyze. You analyze the situation. So if you are very analytical, mathematics becomes something so simple for you. Hallelujah. So that is what we're going to do. Now let's go. Some professions in study mathematics. Yeah, is it necessary to study mathematics at all? Yes, it is. Why not? Engineering, accounting, medicine, economics, banking, finance, trading, architecture, production, farming. Every aspect of life demands mathematics, including cooking soup in the kitchen. So you can imagine how important mathematics is. So it has become a pivot around which all other businesses revolve. And for that matter, you cannot dodge. And it's the easiest subject to study. Are you aware? Okay, if you don't believe, keep watching the videos. All topics have been done for you. Questions solved for you to see how to solve questions. The smartness to do in examination is also added to it. There's a way to answer questions in mathematics. There's a way to write examination. You can't write examination at your own pace. There's a pace at which you write examination. There's a way you choose the answer questions and the way you present the answers. This is what the Annuity Institute of Mathematics has done research on and presented to you to make mathematics your hobby with a guaranteed pass. Good. So let's keep on moving to the next point. All right. Things to observe when solving mathematics. Yes. Things to observe when solving mathematics. 1. Respect the language. In our case, English language. Because our questions are set on English or with English language. For that matter, you must respect the English language. Every word or phrase has a meaning. You must respect it and go by that. Right? Good. And all those languages or all those symbols, all those sentences, words have symbols to represent them in mathematics. Symbols represent. So respect symbols and signs. Example, when you see bracket, bracket means what? I'm sure you know this one. Bracket means what? Multiplication. So you behave like that. You obey that multiplication symbol you have seen. These are things we learned in basic school. I'm going to apply them here. 3. Be logical, principled. Just be principled. So being principled doesn't make you difficult, right? It makes you genuine and justice. You want to do it as it is given. You don't want to miss it. You want to go according to that. You don't want to make that mistake. Though careful, but you do it with assurance that it's going to be as it's supposed to be. Make sure your choice of answers makes sense. Here, for instance, you have 10 cedis. You are distributing it among 5 children. 10 Ghana cedis. You want to share it among 5 children. How much will each person get? If you finish and your answer is 5 cedis each, think of it. Doesn't make sense. 5 children sharing 10 cedis, and each of them got 5 cedis. That means you have made an error, right? So you have to consider every final answer you get in mathematics. Analyze it. Does it make sense? Is that what it's supposed to be? Is that all, or something must be attached? Is there any unit of measurement to be attached? You consider all this stuff as you move. So let's move on. Let's move on. Good. Now the business, real number systems, or properties of numbers, numbers and numerals, or set of numbers. Depending on your book, these are the names you see. These are the names you see.